Guys, what's going on? Joshua Hewitt here from the Hewitt Collective, and today I've got a new coffee review for you guys. So today I made an exciting new purchase from Argos. I bought an Nespresso Krups machine. And Taylor's Coffee were kind enough to send me 3 free samples, and I'm going to be reviewing one of them for you now. So I've already drank the Kenya one. I think I will go for the Colombia. Yes, that sounds delicious. Okay guys, so I don't know if you know this, but the Colombian blend is one of my favourite blends of coffee, so I'm excited to try this one. Keeps getting better and better by the taste. Finished, guys? Okay guys, so I really hope you have enjoyed this video. I will leave all the links to Taylor's in the description below so you guys can go and check them out. And you guys can also like my page on Facebook, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and add me on Snapchat. And if you have any products you want me to review, please send me an email. My business email is in the description below. And I will see you guys again. Goodbye.
We might be young at heart, we're still dreaming, eyes wide open. We'll leave this place behind, no matter what they say. Yeah, 'cause we're stronger than I